From a distracted driver that nearly ran over this biker, and a little orange car that almost caused a huge accident, to a rogue trailer that had a mind of its own, and much more. Here are some amazing dashcam moments you don't want to miss. This driver clearly didn't see that coming.
Go ahead and start med units.
It seems this car wanted to run over our bike driver. Imagine driving down the road and seeing this.
Даже не поднимался туда.
Да он вообще...
Человек, либо вот молодцы.
Blind spots are real. Keep watch whenever merging lanes. Who would have thought stoplights are one of the most dangerous things ever?
Вот, да.
Даже конь такой.
Вот именно.
This good Samaritan goes to check if these drivers are okay.
I thought I was supposed to go right in that left. What I missed?
Oh my god, we have to go.
Bye, Tony. That's all I want.
How many infractions from this red truck can you count?
Wow, seriously? Oh, that guy gets pulled over. Yep. That's a jackass move, if there ever was. Haha, dude, dumbass, you get dumbass.
Never, ever overtake from the right. Was this driver sleeping or did the car simply brake? This driver did all of this by himself. Glad our driver was far away enough from that mess.
Не поворотів не повинні. Включають, як рушають. Вони вже вважають, що так должно бути.
This rogue trailer clearly has places to be.
Wow!
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Il vient d'avoir un accident?
Ben, il a failli rentrer dans moi.
Someone has to teach this driver. He can't simply change his mind and turn the other way. Everyone get out of the way. This person is clearly in a rush. Even though this looks harsh, no one was seriously injured. This is everything we have for you today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. See you next time.